Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete watch history on Instagram. You have to delete your watch history in order to free up your space and fix some bug issue you might be facing on your Instagram app. It's going to also help to give you a very smooth running in your Instagram app. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a few seconds. Right, so let's get right into the video. The first step you have to do, you have to open up your Instagram app and you have to go to your home page just like this, and then you can click on your profile. Clicking on your profile, you have to click on these three horizontal line above your screen right there, and then now scroll down. You can see app website permission right here, so you just click on that and click on browser settings, right, and see right here clear cookies and cache. So that is where all your watch history is, so you just have to clear that. Click on that and clear browsing data, so it's going to clear everything up. So this is how to delete your watch history on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.